In a dramatic political twist that has sent ripples across Meghalaya's political landscape, former West Shillong MLA Mohendro Rapsang has officially severed ties with the National People's Party (NPP, setting off intense speculation about his next big move. Mohendro Rapsang, who represented West Shillong from 2018 to 2023, reportedly tendered his resignation to NPP Meghalaya State President Preston Tinsong, citing, quote, personal reasons, unquote, for his sudden exit, while maintaining a tone of gratitude in his resignation letter, thanking the party for the opportunity to serve and for the trust placed in him. His departure has raised eyebrows in political circles. The seasoned politician had joined the NPP ahead of the 2023 assembly elections after being expelled from the Congress for backing the MDA-1 government. Contesting the 2023 polls under the NPP banner, Mohendro Rapsang faced defeat at the hands of UDP's Paul Lingdor, a loss that marked a turning point in his political journey. Now, sources close to the development suggest that Rapsang could be gearing up for a high-profile shift to the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP), with an eye firmly set on the 2028 Meghalaya Assembly elections. If the move materializes, it could dramatically alter the political arithmetic in West Shillong and inject fresh momentum into the BJP's ambitions in the state. As the countdown to 2028 quietly begins, Rapsang's next step may well redefine the battleground.